I can't believe they crossed the double train tracks to go down there to eat food and get fresh water. Look at these rocks. Look at this. No. Go back with me. Oh my God. Why are you doing that? Let's go back down this way. Vinny! What are you doing? Oh my God. Vinny! The Bright Line trains go like 90 miles an hour. Dude, you're sitting in the train track itself. Vinny, are you hungry? Oh my God. This is stressing me out. I gotta go and coax this cat back over here. Oh my God. Oh, this is so dangerous. Dude, you are giving me stress. Let's go.